Hello, everyone. This is Stock Market Daily. Thank you for joining me today. It is April 5th, 2023. As always, this is not financial advice. Please don't copy my trading strategies because you will lose money. This is only for educational purposes. Okay, so looking at the SPX chart, you can see that we had a little bit gap down in the pre-market and we opened up lower, only to pretty much close the gap really nicely. And right here, we had this high and then kind of came back, reloaded, hit the high again. And at that same time, we had ISM data. And you could see that this candle right here was pretty big. I mean, it was from 40.93 to 40.99 all in one candle and pretty much sold off from there. So the data came in under expectations, meaning it was recessionary. But in the past, since this is what the Fed is trying to accomplish, they're trying to make the data be more recessionary. Um, this was always taken with as a as a good sign. When data is bad, it's good, and when data is good, that's bad. So I'm not quite sure what happened here today. Maybe it was a little bit too low for comfort. But regardless, we had this bad data come out. And essentially what happened was we sold off from there. Hit a new low at 40.72 and slightly recovered from there, only to close pretty much almost where we opened up on the day at we were opening up somewhere around 40.93 or so, and we closed at 40.90 for a negative difference of 0.29% on the SPX. So let's take a look at the trades really quick. Not all the trades are here anymore, obviously. I had to close some out. Let's start with the call side. So I opened up right off the bat, I opened up two at the 41.20 level, and I opened one up a little bit later at 41.10. And a little bit later on, when there was more premium and this was kind of moving up a little bit, I opened up another one, and I believe I collected $450 right at the same level. So what happened there is right at the date when the data came out, we were kind of volatile, and I was thinking that we're going to end up, we were going to sell off and then bounce back, because realistically, that's what we kind of came accustomed to, is that the bad data is good, that we're going to pretty much come back up from there. And unfortunately, with that mentality, I ended up buying back the put. I see I sold it here for $450 and I bought it back for $330. Unfortunately, the call never came back to life. The market sold off from there, as you saw from the chart, and I ended up losing out on the $300 that were in that option. On the put side, I had three positions. One was, let's go back over here. One was at the 40.75 level. The other one was a 40.85 level. That was from the prior. I opened it up. Yeah, no, I had it. I opened it up today, and the one from the prior day was a 41.05, and I rolled it for a $100 credit at 40.95 for tomorrow. So essentially, I have one put that is up for on for tomorrow, which is not something I want to leave for tomorrow or the day after, because we are going to have data on Friday and the market is going to be closed. So the next time after tomorrow, the next time we're going to have the market open again is on Monday. And having this put on here for 3 days, if I don't get out of it, I'm going to feel a little bit uncomfortable. I really rather get out of it. So what I did was I ended up rolling it. I did collect $100, but if I could have rolled it to a lower strike price in this case, I would have. So that's what the point I'm trying to make is, in these type of cases, I want to roll the put as low as possible for the next day, because I don't want to leave it on the table for a day off and the weekend. But we'll see what happens tomorrow, if the market is up or down. Not quite sure yet. We do have some additional data in the morning, so we'll see what happens. But overall, I mean, it is still one put, not a big deal. If anything happens, if it's trapped, if Monday we come back and, well, if on Thursday we close the market and it's trapped, it's going to be trapped until Monday, and we come back and it's way in the money. It's not a big deal. It's only one put, and there's ways to get out of it. So overall today, not a bad day. Collected $1,375 with all these credits and debits. And unfortunately, I wish I didn't sell back or buy back this call. I would have made way more money, but it is what it is. That's what happens. I don't normally trade in and out of options like this. I have done it past week, and it turned out in my favor. Now it didn't turn out in my favor. So I think from now on, I'm just going to leave it as is, like I always have been, and let it ride and close it out if I need to at the end of the day, or roll it, or just let it expire. I'm not going to day trade it. I think the more trades you take, the worse it becomes, and the less chance of profitability for you. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please consider subscribing. We do these every single day. We're going to be back here tomorrow to wrap up the week. And thanks for watching. Have a good night. Bye-bye.